So what we are doing this month is we are going to work with how to use EFT to transform whatever dis-ease, emotional dis-ease we might be feeling at holiday time, whether it's depression, loneliness, grief, sadness, anxiety, etc. How can we move this energy through our system using the tool of EFT tapping so that we can have a more authentic relationship with this beautiful sacred time of year and craft a vision where we can celebrate the holidays on our own terms? What I have found in working with this time of year is that when I can tune into myself and my authentic needs versus what I imagine the demands are on me based on what other people expect or what society expects, that it can actually be a very, very regenerative time. And I'm hoping that that's what I can help you connect into.